Hoş geldiniz arkadaşlar. Today we will learn how to form a question in Turkish. To form a question, we utilize variations of the word me together with personal suffixes. Variations of the word me are m, me, mu, mu, and personal suffixes are the endings which we already learned in our previous lesson. As you can see in the table, for ben, im, are the personal suffixes. For san, sun, sin, sun, sun. So we choose one of m, me, mu, mu according to the last word and which has the last vowel. So this is done to preserve vowel harmony. For example, ben doktor muyum. Ben doktor muyum means am I a doctor? Ben means I, which is a personal pronoun. Doktor means doctor, which is a noun. Muyum is the question. As you can see in muyum, we use the letter Y between two vowels. This is because in Turkish two vowels can't be together, so we use the letter Y between them to avoid the clash between two vowels. So you can see we used mu as the question and as the personal suffix. This is because the last word has the last vowel O. The word doctor has the last vowel O. So according to the rule, if the last vowel is O or U, we will use U as the vowel suffix. So we used mu and So you have to remember this rule for the last vowel. So for ben, san, or sis, onlar. Here you can see I have given more examples. Ben doktor muyum. As you can see, doctor, the last word doctor has the last vowel O. If it's O or U, we will use U as the vowel suffix. So, ben doktor muyum means am I a doctor? Sen doktor musun means are you a doctor? O doktor mu means is he, she, or it is a doctor. Biz doktor muyuz means are we doctors? Siz doktor musunuz means are you or are you all doctors? Siz, as you know, which is used as formal or plural. Onlar doktor mu means are they doctors? So I have given more example. Ben avukat mıyım. Avukat means lawyer, and you can see avukat is the last word and it has the last vowel a. So according to the rule, if the vowel is a or we will use a as the vowel suffix. So instead of muyum, we used mıyım as the vowel suffix. So ben avukat mıyım means am I a lawyer? For police, ben polis miyim? You can see police has the last vowel E. So according to the rule, if it's A or E, we will use E as the vowel suffix. So ben polis miyim means am I a police? Now for negative question. Ben doktor değil miyim? Ben doktor değil miyim means am I not a doctor? Ben means I, which is personal pronoun. Doctor is a noun and değil is the negative. and mean is the question. As you can see, we use will after a noun. So after will we use the question. So you can see in will is, as will is the last word before mean, will has the last vowel E. So if it's A or E, according to the rule, E will be the vowel suffix. So that's why we use mean as the question. So it's sure in every negative question the word will be in the end. So E will be the vowel suffix in every negative question. Negative questions combine will and me to give will me. The personal suffixes get attached to me. Unlike the positive question, for the negative question, me has only one form and not four for each personal suffix. As I said, will is used in the end, so it's sure. Will has the last vowel E, so we will always use E as the vowel suffix. So we will not choose the 4 and only choose the 1. As you can see in the table, for Ben we will use will mean. For Sen, will missing. For O, will me. For Bees, will me is. For She's, will missing is. For Onlar, will er me. Here I have given the examples. Then doctor will means am I not a doctor? As you can see, will is the last word and will has the last vowel E. So according to the rule, E will be the vowel suffix. Sen doctor deal missing means are you not a doctor? Or doctor deal me means is he, she or it not a doctor? This doctor deal me is means are we not doctors? This doctor deal missing is means are you or are you all not doctors? Onlar doctor değiller mi means are they not doctors? Now for more examples you can see when avukat değil mean. Avukat means lawyer, and you can see here also deal is the last word and it has the last vowel E, so the vowel suffix will be E. So it's sure every time deal will be used in the end. So always for question E will be the vowel suffix for negative questions. Ben avukat değil miyim means am I not a lawyer? Ben police değil miyim means am I not a police? Please do watch, like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Görüşmek üzere.